Affiliate marketing has become a powerful way to make money online, and Fezamarket has been a game changer for me in 2025. The first step was signing up for the Fezamarket affiliate program at www.fezamarket.com. The process is simple. To earn $50,000, it's crucial to focus on the right niche. I chose tech gadgets and home decor. Building a strong online presence across multiple platforms was crucial for reaching a broader audience. Creating high-quality content was key. I wrote honest reviews, provided how-to guides, and made demonstration videos. The next step was driving targeted traffic to my affiliate links using SEO, paid ads, and social engagement. After consistent success, I focused on scaling up by using analytics, reinvesting earnings, and outsourcing work. Making $50,000 with Fezamarket is possible with the right strategy and effort. The steps I've shared can help you. Join Fezamarket today. Sign up at fezamarket.com and start applying these strategies.